Hi, I'm Jakar, and I'm from Sweet Yeehaw, Texas.
Today for you.
Today for you.
Tomorrow for me. Oh, I am so sorry. I did not see you there at all. Today's lesson is why you should choose me to win that final trip to the show of Rent. Example 1. I have never seen a Broadway show, but if I had the chance to go and see one, and that one would be the only one to see, baby, you're the one I choose. R-E-N-T exclamation point. Rent.
My theater teacher, Miss Cheryl, who I blame for my obsession with Rent. Why did you have to go and brag about how amazing Rent was when you saw it on Broadway? And now, because of you, I drive my mother nuts with my obsession with Rent, since it's a daily routine.
Please pick me to go out September 7th. It's an important day.